Hello, good morning students. Today we have to discuss about the next article, and the article is calculus method. So by using this calculus method we have to calculate acceleration, velocity and displacement. Okay, so let us start. So for acceleration we have to use that is differential equation, which we have seen in our previous videos. So the differential equation in linear SHM, we do the differential equation. So what is differential equation? Differential equation is d square x upon dt square plus omega square x is equal to 0. So this differential equation, which we have already proved it in our previous videos, that is how we can calculate the differential equation in linear SHM. So here also we know these parameters which are using in this differential equations. The parameters are like this. So first parameter is where d square x upon dt square. So d square x upon dt square means what? Double derivative, that is double derivative of x. X stands for what? Obviously displacement. So double derivative of displacement is called as what? Acceleration. Okay, acceleration can be defined as the single derivative of velocity, or we can say double derivative of displacement with respect to time. So this term, that is d square x upon dt square, that is the double derivative of displacement, and it is the acceleration of particle. Okay, then next, omega square. What is omega square? It is angular speed, and we know the value of omega square, that is k by m, which we use in this equation, differential equation, that is k by m. It is called as angular speed. It is called as angular speed. So omega square means what? K by m. Then x, obviously x is equal to, that is x is linear displacement, means whatever may be the displacement by the object, that displacement is linear displacement. So x stands for linear displacement. So these are the parameters which are using in this differential equations. Okay. d square x upon dt square is equal to, so this plus omega square x is here, so this plus becomes minus omega square into x, and this minus square omega into x, that is called as acceleration, because d square x dt square is equal to what? Acceleration. So therefore we can write acceleration is equal to minus omega square into x. This is the equation first, because this is the expression, or we can say equation for acceleration minus omega square into x. Okay, because here d square x upon dt square represents here acceleration of the particle, and minus omega square into x. So omega, that is angular speed, x, that is the linear displacement. Now if we consider if a simple pendulum is there, and that if here we have a simple pendulum, and if we consider that the simple pendulum is at equilibrium position. Equilibrium position means what? It is at mean position. So if it is at mean position, then there is no force acting on this bob. Okay, so therefore its displacement is 0. Okay, because there is no displacement. So at mean position, displacement of particle is always equal to 0. So let us try what is the displacement at mean position. So first is at mean position, what are you doing here? Just we are to calculating acceleration at mean position. Mean position means what? At equilibrium position. Okay. So mean position, the displacement of x is equal to 0 because there is no displacement. That's why we are using here 0. So our main equation is acceleration is equal to minus omega square into x. Therefore minus omega square into x means what? As displacement. Displacement we are taking here 0. Why? Because at mean position there is no displacement. So omega square into 0, that is 0. So acceleration, it is minimum acceleration, it is equal to 0. When acceleration is equal to 0, when the particle or an object, we can say it is at mean position. Okay, so you should remember this condition. At mean position, acceleration always equal to 0. Why it is always equal to 0? Because displacement is 0, and we know acceleration means what? Minus omega square into x. Now calculate second condition, that at extreme position. Then at extreme position, what will be the acceleration? So next point is for, or we can say at extreme position. At extreme position. At extreme position. At extreme position. Now, what will be the displacement at extreme position of the particle? Now see here, we are having here one simple pendulum like this. Okay, so if we consider this simple pendulum is at mean position, means displacement obviously 0. But if it goes from mean position to right extreme position, okay, so what will be the displacement? That displacement is maximum, and maximum displacement is called as amplitude. So you should remember here, amplitude what? Amplitude means what? Amplitude means the maximum displacement of the particle. Suppose this is the simple pendulum, it is at mean position, so this is MP, that is mean position. And if we are considering that particle or object is at right extreme position, okay, so when it goes from mean position to right extreme position, then the angle inclination is here 90. Okay, so whatever may be the displacement from mean to right extreme position, that displacement is always equal to A. Okay, if the displacement, maximum displacement of this pendulum from mean to right extreme, left extreme position, instead of right extreme position, if we are using left extreme position, then whatever will be the displacement, that is minus A. Okay, so this maximum displacement is called as amplitude. If the maximum displacement of the particle is at right extreme position, then consider plus A, that is plus amplitude, that is the maximum displacement. And if the maximum displacement in left extreme position, then x is equal to minus A is there. Okay, plus minus, plus means what? Right side, and minus means what? Left side. But this amplitude shows the maximum displacement of the particle. So x is the maximum displacement. Okay, so maximum displacement of any particle, that is called as amplitude. So you should remember, amplitude is nothing but just it is a maximum displacement of the particle. And when we get maximum displacement, when the bob is at right extreme position or at left extreme position, at that time we get maximum displacement, that is the amplitude. So at extreme position, what is the value of that A? Acceleration A is equal to minus omega square into x. So therefore A is equal to minus This minus side indicates only direction, acceleration and displacement. Okay, so see here omega square into, instead of x we are using plus minus a, so plus minus a, so therefore acceleration is equal to plus minus a omega square. Plus minus means right side and left side, and a stands for what? Maximum displacement. So that's why the maximum displacement of the body, or we can say the maximum acceleration of the body, is equal to plus minus a omega square, omega square into a. So you should remember acceleration equation. For acceleration, the general equation for acceleration is equal to minus omega square into x. Acceleration at mean position always equal to 0, and acceleration at extreme position is always plus minus a omega square. So you must know all of these things because these are very important. Okay, so this is about acceleration. Okay, so thank you.